I'm a poet, an artist. I do freestyle. I'm well educated.
Okay.
It's like I'm a potential master student.
Okay. First of all, we all know you. Okay, me know you. Okay, you're not gonna truth.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. The last time you been come, we all been there because we know you from the streets. You understand it?
Sure.
We all been expect you for bring on the fire, the drama.
Aye.
But to me a little bit, I've been disappointed that time day. So today I want bring, let bring the fire. Let people know say bring a boss man in that place they so. What's unique about you? Something unique about you where they go inside the house, where go set you apart from all the other contestants then?
Well, I have lots of skills. I'm multi-talented. I have domestic skills, personal routine skills, social skills, entertainment skills. And I want you to know something. Me alone, minus 19 housemates, I believe that Big Brother will achieve all his goals and objectives.
How are you going to go about achieving
like,
that?
I have lots of talent, but it's like I have a particular set of talents in such a way that where there is no way, there will be a way.
No, right now you're just talking about what you have. We want to see, like TJ will say, I want to see what you have. Show us, please.
As I told you, I'm an artist. I can do freestyle, I can do poetry, I can do lot. So
But
like,
TJ,
you don't
show
tell me
us.
what to do.
No, you do what you think will get you through.
So it's like you telling me to do a freestyle or poem or whatever.
Bam.
Okay. Well, I'm standing here instead of like the judges, they're sitting on a chair. No. Interviewed by men, and the lady gets shot here. I don't know if I'm on the right for ask if this audition is fair. Well, now, like Noah's Ark, I'm about for part the judges and peer by peer. From the first, I qualified to the second edition. I feel like I'm second to none. I'm seeing presently a Airtel and AYP symbol, but then from them, for not put them back like gone. People said my hidden talent is like I'm a stand-up comedian because I have some fun. Well, till I get the meat, I don't buy the paper me wear the jokes. One day before I wounded the one. I get quality for pickpockets and pick and gun. Person baptized Jesus in the name of John. Then you been in a street where they call him back John. Well, this they come from someone who not ever fail a form. Even King Solomon not able to solve this song. Yabas onion minus plastic like long. Bubble gum, chewing gums, our plum patch corn. What's a million? Make a change by Latin like a million. And making action, may I see vision. My mouth answering to your question, but my nose smelling nothing. Expect you make success with onion. I'm done. Welcome.
You see, we don't even stop you. Normally, we can stop people there, but we enjoy the flow. So, anyway, go ahead, T. I know see you asking some questions.
Yeah, I like it. Freestyle, just for my right here.
Thanks.
So, you go like this house with the other housemates.
It's a little bit lighter. This volume.
Yeah, well, I know say I get a heavy voice. Now you for pay attention.
Okay,
So, 10 ladies then go there. What in are your relationship with the opposite sex?
with opposite sex. Well, actually, relationship with the opposite sex in the house, it can be both negative and positive.
We're not concentrating on the
positive.
positive.
Active. I don't know if you guys know something about marketing, the marketing process, adoption process. It's like that is the process through which a product moves before getting final acceptance. I don't know if I can relate this principle to the
When we look at the area of romance as a matter of fact, so now we keep because we don't get time, so make it easy. So now look at the area of romance, you and...
Well, actually, it's like, it will not be immediate, because it's like, a lot of questions need to be asked before I accept that situation. Some of these questions will be like, is she hot? Can she do good catwalk? Is her box full up? Or maybe don't fall and drop? Possibly packing brazier with socks? Or maybe this overage resembles another underage? Maybe her box is looking for flocks? You know, a lot of questions needed to be asked before I make my action.
Okay, so how usually you deal with issues like, hate, like anger? How you handle it?
Actually, being in the Big Brother house, my first move will be to evaluate the situation. That means the most likely prey and the predator. Then I will analyze them and weigh them with my strength, weakness, taste, and appetite.
Go do SWOT analysis
in the house. I want to relate this situation to something we refer to as sandpaper, which local we call shine paper. I don't believe that when it has it, they scratch you, they rub you, they rough you, but they also polish you and clean you up. So it's like, that's the situation that I normally deal with it.
Yeah, thank you.
Can I continue? In relation to the hate, when hate arises, I believe that there can be two actions that I can take, either by negotiation or by aggressive action. So it's like, it depends on the kind of situation.
Thank you.
Can I say closing prayer before I move, please?
Go ahead.
Okay. The Lord's Prayer, the pure Lord's Prayer. Everyone say amen.
Amen.
If you're a Muslim, say amen. Okay? Our Father who art in the planet, earth and heaven, hallowed be thy name in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us for our trespass. Trespass class as gold, silver, and brass.
Amen.
And forgive those who trespass us, that are God and dust, taxi and boss. And temptation lead us not to magistrate or high courts, but deliver us from every evil result. I will stop there for now. Thank you.